Today's video I show you guys how to download this file like pausing and resuming, but you can do it like pause today and tomorrow you can resume the same download and it starts exactly how much you downloaded before. To do this, copy this download link and check my video description for this free download manager. Select the download option. After the download done, install this free download manager. After the installation done, open it and select this plus icon. Paste the link we copied. Select OK. Select this three dot icon and select the location where you want to save this file and select open and select download option. Now you can pause this file and close and shut down, and you can come back later and resume it whenever you want. It will start exactly where you paused. I hope this video helped you guys. If the video helped you, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe. Thank you.